everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a TikTok videos using a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and then in here you just click on a template at the bottom, and then in here you just see many template on CapCut apps. Maybe you can choose everything you like, but in here I wanna choose this one, so you just click on this one, click on it, and then in here you just click on use template. And then in here you can add the video or photo that you want to edit. In here I want to add a photo, so you just click on the photo at the top, and then in here you can swipe down and choose the photo that you want to edit. Maybe this one, click on it, this one, click on it and click next in here. And after this you can click export at the top, this one, click on it and click export without a watermark. Please waiting. And after the export, CapCut has go to the TikTok, and then after this you just click on next in here, and then click in here, sorry, and then in here you just click on the post at the TikTok and finish. So the video has been exported from CapCut to your TikTok. Okay, please waiting. So now the video has been exported to from CapCut to your TikTok, and then after this you can see, and this your profile, this the video. So that's how to edit a TikTok videos using a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.